Can India boost its manufacturing might and join a global supply chain without overly relying on China? And can it balance trade and investments with its neighbor while keeping a wary eye on their relationships? India's relationship with China has a mixed bag. On one hand, we have been importing everything from China, from everyday items to high end tech, electronics, and machinery. On the other, Chinese companies have poured billions of the dollars into Indian startups, technology, and infrastructure. It is a complex dance with both partners stepping on each other's toes at times. Take China's Belt and Road Initiative. For example, it's a grand plan to create new trade routes, but with a twist, China has invested over $1 trillion in energy and transport projects in other countries, often lending them large sums of money to build the necessary infrastructure. This has led to a worrying trend of indebted nations finding themselves in a debt trap, with China potentially taking control of critical assets like ports. And then India's cautious approach comes. The pandemic really cranked up the pressure on the concerns about Chinese investments. In 2020, China tightened the reins on Chinese foreign direct investment, making government approval a must. Things took an even darker turn when border clashes killed soldiers from both sides. Since then, India has been extra cautious, banning hundreds of Chinese apps and keeping travel between the two nations on tight leash. Despite the frosty relationship, India's reliance on Chinese imports have actually surged, topping $100 billion in financial year 2024. But our exports to China are only about 16% of that amount, leaving us with a hefty trade deficits of around $85 billion. It's a head scratching paradox that the economic survey is pointing out. And this isn't just India's problem. Economics in the global north have also leaned heavily on China's low cost manufacturing. China's dominance in everything from electronics to rare earth elements gives it a significant sway in global markets. The China plus one, C plus one strategy aims to spread the manufacturing load to other countries, including India. But it's an uphill battle as China's grip on supply chains remain tight. To counter China's cheap imports, some countries have turned to import restrictions. But even tariffs can't offset China's manufacturing advances. So, how can India boost its own manufacturing prowess? The economic survey suggests that taking a leaf out of Brazil and Turkey's book, hike duties on Chinese products while simultaneously wooing Chinese investment in the same sectors. This balancing act could help out India build up its own manufacturing muscle and trim its trade deficit. And also, ultimately, India's quest to become manufacturing hub is more about achieving self-sufficiency first, rather than jumping straight to global export domination. Its delicate tightrope walk, balancing trade, investments, and geopolitical concerns. Will India find a way to crack this challenge? The future holds the answer. But one thing is for sure, it's going to be a fascinating journey to watch. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. And if you find any mistakes or if you don't like the way I explain these topics, please share your comments. I really need that feedback so I can improve on those things, and I will make sure that these videos will be so much educationally informational